Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies here in our Derry, New Hampshire location, and today I have with me Tim McDonough from Radiant Pools. Tim has been kind enough to come visit us the last couple of years and talk about his amazing product. And Tim, thanks for coming down again today.
Thank you, Kent. It's a pleasure to be here as always.
Thank you. Pleasure to have you. The Radiant Pools, we've been selling these for a long time. They're a fantastic product. Would you give me a quick overview on them?
Sure. Yeah. So Radiant Pools, we're the insulated wall pool with a true R10 insulation. So it's a structural panel that is warranted against winter damage, and it's also has a lifetime guarantee that has a full transfer option. So if somebody builds a pool or has a pool built for them or builds it themselves, and then they make a decision to move, and that warranty, it'll stay with the new customer. And as far as like the product itself, we have a full line of rounds, ovals, freeforms, rectangles, and such like that. And again, some pools are a little quicker and easier than others.
Yeah, so I mean, they're just a very versatile pool coming in all those crazy sizes, and we're able to get them into any backyard as well, right?
That's correct.
In-ground, semi-in-ground, above ground, I mean, they can just fit anybody.
That's right.
So for the last couple of years, I mean, it's taken a little bit of time to get the pools to the customer, but here we are in 2022. I mean, when should I see a pool if I ordered it today?
Well, here's great news because we've actually, did have some obstacles in the business from supply chain logistics and some even production slowdowns. So now we've overcome all of that, and you should be able to, if you're ordering a pool today, you're going to get that within 30 days.
That's fantastic.
So that's
a really
good.
Quick turnaround. I'm glad you guys are operating at 100% efficiency.
Yes,
now.
we're back in that. So
that's great. Also, with the pandemic, I mean, everyone's staying at home, everyone's getting pools. I mean, it's been a big boom to the industry. And I mean, unfortunately, there's not enough installers to go around half the time. So one of the biggest things we've been seeing is a lot of people doing self-installs on these pools. I mean, you don't have to be a professional to get this done, right?
That's correct. Is just a quick note about that. The original Radiant metric round pool was developed for the Sears and Roebuck company for their catalog business. This was back in the early 70s and coming up through till into the early 80s. So, but that product has always been the same. So it's a very easy pool to build. We have very complete instructions, and it's definitely something that a consumer with some construction and understanding of materials and things like that can do on their own, especially if they're replacing an existing pool, an round pool in a backyard. A lot of the work is already done, and you can build a Radiant right within that.
Oh, it's outstanding.
So,
well, Tim, that's great. So we have a pool that can go in any backyard, that I can get in any shape or size, that I'm going to get within a month, and then I can put in myself. I mean, you have a fantastic product.
Well, thank you. Hey, we feel the same way. It's a very versatile, and the fact that you have the ability to go above, semi, or all the way in the ground. So.
Tim, thank you so much for your time as always. It's always a pleasure.
Kent, thank you very much for taking the time. You have a wonderful day.
You too.